Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suran Tabassum. I am a student of CIA Walangar. Today I am telling about Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam topics. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the last messenger of the Allah Almighty. He was born in Makkah on 12 Rabiul Awwal. His father name was Hazrat Abdullah. His mother name was Bibi Amina. He belonged to the Quraysh type. At the age of 25, he married with Khadija Radhiyallahu Ta'ala. At the age of 40, Allah Almighty best awarded him. Allah revealed his last book, Quran. Holy Quran to Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He pursued Islam for 23 years. He bore many hardships in her journey of Islam, but he never stopped pursuing Islam. Jazakallahu khair.